Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer Solana from Robinhood wallet to your Phantom wallet. So first, just start with downloading our Robinhood wallet and then open it and just create your wallet. So tap on get started and then you can import an existing wallet or create a new wallet. So it depends on you. So just set up your wallet and then enter or make a 6-digit PIN. So it depends on you. Once you're done, just continue. And then, so you can turn on the notifications or maybe later. It depends on you. So as you can see, your wallet is now ready. So let's go. So from here, you can see it in here. So just click on send. So deposit crypto and then search for Solana. So click on this one. And then from here, you have the Solana wallet address. So go to your Phantom wallet. So from here, tap on the receive button, or you can go in here. So just click on this one, and then tap on Solana. Enter your PIN, and so once you're done with that, before that you have to copy the wallet address first, and then go to your what do you call this? The Robinhood app, and then enter your PIN, and then tap on send. So deposit crypto. You have to make sure that you have a balance on your Solana. So click on Solana and then that's it. I hope you found this very helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!